know that you can get 10 subscribers every day? Like, just imagine yourself getting 10 subscribers. Like, you can get more than 10 subscribers, but just imagine yourself getting like 10 subscribers every day. 10 subscribers every day. Just imagine. How many are you going to be getting at the end of 7 days? Automatically, you're going to be getting 70 subscribers, right? And now, if you get 10 subscribers, calculate it times 4 weeks. Like, you're going to be getting like over like 240 subscribers. So it simply means that's in a month. It simply means if you're getting 10 subscribers every day, there's every possibility for you to get your 1,000 subscribers, like even within the period of 6 months or before. You understand? Because why? You are going to be getting more than at some point if you have to adhere to everything I'm going to say. So the only problem that a lot of people have right now, right, is because they just want to get like 1,000 subscribers in one day, or they just want to get like 100 subscribers in one day. You understand? I'm not saying it's not possible, it's not doable. If you have your video, there are videos that wants to just push it out here and the video just sell out like this. Even if it's 2,000, 3,000 subscribers can just come to you in a day. I'm a living testimony. You understand? I'm a living testimony. When my channel picked up immediately, I know that there are some days I got up to like 5,000 subscribers, like 2,000 subscribers at a sports. You get. So, and that is my kind of prayer for you. But now, as a small content creator, right, that at the end of the day, you are looking for subscribers, that's one, because you want to get monetized, and then you don't have that viral video yet for you to get all of that subscribers that you're looking for. So 10 subscribers is not going to be too big for you, and it's not going to be too small for you. Okay, now for you to get these 10 subscribers, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you can do, because this is another strategies that a lot of people are using to get subscribers. Like I said, you can get more than, so don't get me wrong. Now, the first thing you should do is, if you have not joined my Telegram group, right? If you have not joined my Telegram group, I have my Telegram group attached at the top end of my page. If you click on my profile, you click on more, you're going to be seeing all the links that are attached there. So the first thing you should do first is to go and join the Telegram group. Now, once you join the Telegram group, right, this is exactly what you need to do. Once you go there, we drop information, because you know it's not everything that you can just come up here and just say it, right? We drop information and tell you what to do for you to be able to get these subscribers. And these subscribers are going to be very, very legit. You understand? So now let me tell you the second thing, because I don't want to emphasize too much on that. You understand? Because there is a new YouTube update now, and I'm going to be putting out that YouTube update, I think after this video or probably later. I don't know. You get my point. So just join the Telegram group first, okay? Or let me say, if I pray I remember, I'll just put it at the description link of this video too. Now, this is the second thing you need to do if you want to get 10 subscribers every day. And nobody should even tell me that this thing is not even working, because yes, this thing is working. You see all of this, your big YouTubers. You see all of this, your favorite content creators. What you need to do right now, right, is you have to subscribe to their channel. Now, once you subscribe to their channel, you are not only going to subscribe, you're going to turn on the notification, right? If you turn on the notification, you get what I'm trying to say? Now, this is what you're going to do. You're going to target those days that these your favorite YouTubers are dropping videos. So if they're dropping videos like every Monday, for example, you're also going to target the time that they're dropping video. So take, for example, you subscribe to vidIQ, and then vidIQ uploads every Tuesday, for example. I'm saying example, by 4 p.m. You target it that it is 4 p.m., right? Don't tell me that it's not doable. It's doable, except you don't want to get what you want to get. Now, once he is dropping that video, right, watch that video from beginning to the end, so that YouTube will not shadow ban your account. You understand? YouTube will not shadow ban your account. Watch that video from beginning to the end. Or if that video is 10 minutes, for example, watch that video at least 5 minutes of that video. Listen to what I'm saying, because a lot of you guys will go and do otherwise. And at the end of the day, your account will be shadow banned. Because I see a lot of people on my comment section, once I just drop video, they just jump. Oh, thank you so much, Sonia. Oh yeah, Lang, let's start connecting. See, all of those things are shadow banding your account, but you don't know. You get shadow banned. And at the end of the day, because YouTube see that you are not watching those videos, baby, your breakfast is served. YouTube see that you're not watching those videos. So since they see that you're not watching those videos, they will shadow ban you. You understand? Because you are spamming people's comment section. Now you have to watch. If it's a 10-minute video, you watch at least 5 minutes. You get. If it's a 8-minute video, you watch at least 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And then, according to what you are watching, according to the video that is there, according to what you've seen, you are going to comment according to that particular video. Before you will now stylishly tell people to like subscribe to your channel. Yes, you get. I'm going to talk about the third thing. Just calm down. I'm coming gradually. You will not tell people to subscribe to your channel. Now, in telling people to subscribe to your channel, you're not going to just write it like subscribe. You are also going to be shadow banned. You will stylishly do it. You understand? You will drop a comment that can magnet people. You understand? I don't need to be teaching you the comments because there's one video I did and I talked about the comments. Probably go and find that video and watch. You get? So you can also say, oh, I'm trying to grow up in this space. We can grow together. We can show love to each other. You know, things like that. But don't go there and start saying, subscribe. YouTube is against it. YouTube is against it. Sub for sub. YouTube is against it. You understand? And now, what you are going to be doing now is, you're not going to have that big eye because a lot of you people waiting they kill us na big eye. You understand? Because you see like 20 people immediately commenting on that same comment that you just drop. You hurriedly go and start subscribing to them one after the other. Your account will be shadow banned. Your account will not be getting views. You will just occupy subscribers that at the end of the day, YouTube will not even recommend your videos to them. If you want YouTube not to recommend your videos to them, fine. But if you want YouTube to recommend your videos to them, even if you see like 20, pick 3 and move. If you go to the next video again, and your favorite content creator like Vibe with Sonia, because I know I'm your favorite, drop. Pick another 3 and move. If you go to another one again that you love, pick another 3 and move. And these things, you do them as different intervals. Not be say you just jump from this place, you jump to the next place, and you will get 20 subscribers immediately, and YouTube will remove all of those subscribers for you. Or YouTube will tag those subscribers as inactive subscribers. And at the end of the day, even when you post your video, they will not even put out those videos to those people. Those people will not even see the video. So if they're not even seeing the video, how do you think they're going to subscribe? They're not even going to watch. You understand? Now, this is the third thing you need to do. The third thing you need to do now, right, is upload short video. In every long form content you are bringing, try to put out 59 seconds short video. I always tell you guys, short has a tendency to travel far. Short has the ministry of traveling far. Oh, my short is not going viral. I don't know what I'm doing differently. Other people's short are getting views. My own is not getting views. Check out what you are doing. Check out that particular place that is very, very catchy, that is very, very attractive. Then you can drag people from your video, from the same long form video that you drop. Cut out that particular clip and then post it as shorts. Now tell me, why will you not be getting more than 10 subscribers every day? That's why I said get 10 subscribers every day, but you can get more than these 10 subscribers. Okay, imagine you drop a comment on your YouTubers. 1, you join the Telegram group. 2, thirdly, as someone that is doing shorts and doing long form videos, like you're doing in your long form videos, you cut out shorts, and each of them give you like 6 subscribers or 5 subscribers, or each of them give you 3 subscribers. One can't give you 4 subscribers, or one can't give you 5 subscribers. You must have been getting more than those your 10 subscribers every day. And let me give you the last one. Learn or master the act of filming a video and posting. Because at the end of the day, if you're getting these subscribers and you are not filming video, you are not posting video, you are just there, God help me, I just want to get the 1,000 subscribers first before I start filming and uploading video. Trust me, you're going to be doing yourself a lot of harm than good. Consistency. Get these subscribers, film videos, post videos. Don't master the act of telling people in their comment section, sub for sub. YouTube go, one day you will wake up like this, your account, they will just come out from the platform. YouTube is against it. You understand? But if you use this procedure, this strategic procedure what I bring for you, you sit down, analyze them well, use them, you come back with testimony. I have one of my students that just started. We did a class that was last year, December. No, not December, November, because December was not active because of my head. November. And as I'm talking to you now, she don't pass 1,000 subscribers. She don't pass 1,000 subscribers. Not even one. I have a lot. If I've not tutored, I've tutored over 300. And I am 100% happy that they are doing well in the industry. They are doing well. And that is why it's also an opportunity for you. If you never join the masterclass and you want to join, my own no be say I dey do and say group. I do it like me and you. It's me and you. You understand? We talk, we rapport, we check your channel, we analyze, we know what to add, we know what to minus. You get? And at the end of the day, you are going to be thanking me. Go and learn all these things that I've said and start getting your 1,000 subscribers. Now, what you need to do is, if you want to contact me, because I see a lot of people dropping comments in the comment section, how do I contact you? How do I reach you, Sonia? My email is always there. faithonoja3195@gmail.com. faithonoja3195@gmail.com. I'll also leave it in the comment section. Send me a mail, a serious one. I don't want a mail that you start sending and start saying, oh, send me your WhatsApp number. I don't do WhatsApp until payment is made. And then we start rapport. We enter your channel and break those obstacles. You know, guys, we no go monetize this 2025. Anyways, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. I need to go and cover my husband's lunch. Bye. I love you guys.